here, Sea-Dog. Go.
Baseball in the rain, let's go! Lorenzo. Let's go, pitcher! Infield down!
Ready? Hey, 2-2. Gotta protect.
You got this, Logan.
Out.
Get ready, down! Your face, puppy. Slow down.
Hustle up.
There you go, take base.
Yep.
Good eye, Bilal. Way to be patient up there, bub.
Ready, Marvin.
Play that too.
Hold it.
Go, Lorenzo.
Dive. Go. Down, stop, Pablo.
Yeah. Go, Lorenzo.
Hung, hung.
Go shoot, go shoot.
Two.
Go, Lorenzo. Way to go, Sea-Dog.
Three.
Hey, gotta be quicker. Victor, stay in there.
Okay, Marvin. If you throw through right now and he drops it, they can steal. So you have to cover home.
Right. Attaboy. Stay in there. It's all right. Stay in there. 1 and 1. Spread your feet out. Look back. Let's go. Hands up. All inside.
Good.
Where's the house at, Pablo?
2 and 1.
Field, where's the house at?
Go.
House at first.
Good. Good. He can't steal unless you do a play, alright?
Hey, drive him in. Drive him in. Get the pitch.
If you throw it, he can steal.
Take your base, Victor. Good job.
Good job, Victor. Come on.
Good job, Victor.
Get back to him now. Get back to him
Win.
now.
All right.
No, no.
Good off, Noah. Take your head
All right,
off.
Waylon, swing at those, bud. You saw a strike now.
Strike 2.
All right, we gotta swing if it's close, bud. We gotta swing.
Yo, ready.
Theo, where's the house at?
Good eye, good eye.
You're good. You're good. You can't steal.
1 and 2.
All right, there you go, Victor. You're on deck. Leon, stand here. Below, you sit. Good eye, bud. 2-2, kiddo. You got this.
Got this. Where's the house at, Pablo? Down and ready.
Strike 3.
What's that, Pablo? Ready, infield.
Right.
Boy, here it is. Come on, bro. Come on. Look at the ball. Hands up. Hands up.
3-1.
Let's go, San Pablo. Go, hustle down. Waylon, you ready for a steal? Going right about there. Go in second. Go, get back it up. There you go.
Good job, dude. Hey, good job, Sea-Dog.
That's what we hey, every steal, that's what we do. Right there, what you do.
Good job, Waylon. Toss that helmet.
Good job, Bilal. Way to be ready, Bilal.
Hey, come! Come!
Wow. Get over it.
Waylon,
Get over it.
be ready.
Strike 2.
Go, three, go, go, go!
Good job, Waylon. Good job, Liam Walker.
Go, go, go!
Uh-oh. Play on. Waylon, what?
Let's go, let's go.
Good job, dude. Good job. Good job, bud. Good job, Sea-Dog.
Go. You ready, bud? Good.
Yeah.
Logan, now 8 steps
1 and 2.
that way.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Keep going, keep
Wait, did he get hit?
All right, plays it 1. Go, Marvin. Game should be here. Outfielder, plays it 2.
Try better.
Ryder, this way. Johnny, back up a little bit. Right there.
Oh, Marvin. Oh, Marvin, Nathan.
Right, Seagull, down and ready, guys. Let's go, prep step, every pitch.
Marvin, back up.
Marvin, let's go.
3-1.
Let's go, Marvin, let's go.
Marvin, hold the bat up. Stop holding it down.
Go, Marvin.
One.
Hang on to it.
Wow. Cheat.
Take your base, take it, you all right? Take your base, take your base.
Take it off.
Watch the pitch, eh?
Hey.
All right, forget about it. Move on.
Marvin, wait for the play. Wait till it hits the plate.
Waylon, turn around. Be ready. Be ready for it to come to you. Get it in.
Good job.
Go, hey, it's low, kid. It's low. Nice.
You got this already. Do it again. You got this.
Here we go.
Get the timing down, right? It's about to throw. Lift your leg up.
Nice. Good job, Lorenzo. Nice. Good job, bud. 2 outs, Sea Dogs. Call it 2 outs. Good catch, bud.
That right there is why you come back up the pitcher, okay? Next time, so every time he throws back, I want you to come forward to 10 steps and then go back to the spot.
Superman with the bat and hand.
There we go.
Superman with the bat and hand.
Good job, Logan. Please, you can even come closer. I would guarantee.
Let's go, Gabriel. Good job, Gabriel.
Right there. Nobody up first. You know what I mean?
Catch it ready. Good job. Come on, Mark. Come on, mijo. Big hit. Huh?
Gabriel, get closer.
Gio, get in the dugout, Gio. Vamos, Gabriel. Hey, cheering on your teammate. Hey, Pablo, nobody
Good
sit
stop,
down.
Waylon.
Nobody sit down.
Lorenzo.
Good job, bud.
Lorenzo.
Okay, let's keep
3-2.
cheering. I don't care. I don't hear nobody.
3-2.
out on it, man. Gotta swing.
I don't hear y'all.
Anything close, you gotta protect.
Full count, Johnny. Let's do this. Good eye, bud. Good eye. Good
Nice
face.
face, bud.
Way to go, Johnny.
Good eye, Johnny. Good eye.
Good play. There you go. Get closer. Okay, so strike now, bud. Okay? Alright, anything close there, we gotta be swinging at him. Step forward.
Liam, I want you swinging. Oh!
Nice arm. Nice
Be
Navarro.
careful getting people's hands in that fence. I don't want you hurting them. Liam, it's 3-1. Make sure it's perfect. It's perfect. Link's blowing the right field.
Bud, go swing. Guys, we can't hit the ball if we don't swing at it. Got it?
There you go,
There you go,
Ryder.
Ryder.
Ryder,
Right?
I like that. Anything close, I want you swinging.
Do the what?
Hey, just a little bit faster.
Right, good swing, Ryder.
Hey, I'd rather you swing than watch it go by. Anything close, swing.
Play that first.
Inside. Ball. Half a step towards the plate. There you go. Be ready.
Contact here, buddy. Alright, good eye.
Remember you throw. Right? Take a deep breath before you throw.
Logan.
Ready? Come on, dog. Hey, David's into the mask. Hey, hook him up, mask. You got third? Get ready, get ready.
Be ready, Logan. Get that ball down the line.
Right.
Good job, Lorenzo.
Go up, go up. Back up.
Stay in the box. Got this.
Take your base better.
Go it, go it, go it.
Go.
Oh,
Oh,
eat it. Eat
you
it.
say. It's okay, Waylon. Waylon, keep stay on the plate because they might be coming home. Throw the ball.
Hey, we never hold the ball. We throw it to the pitcher all the time.
Reggie,
We don't look around one of the three to throw to the pitcher.
swing.
Everybody.
Get that timing down, alright? Lift your foot up. Lift foot. Hey, G. When he goes to the pitch. Lift your foot.
that throw.
Gotta go more.
Hey, just throw it. Pitch it, hit it. No, get out. Pick your base. Pick your base.
Really? Guy on third.
Nice. Good job, Lorenzo. Good catch, Waylon. Nice.
Go back, go back.
Get him, get him, get him, get him! Yes! Nice! Good job, Lorenzo!
Nice throw.
Good catch, Waylon.
Come up every pitch and back
Come on,
that
Zion, let's go. Big hit. Get on.
Just like that, Victor.
Good job, Victor.
Lorenzo, wait till I second baseman gets
Get
that.
on your teammates, please.
He can't go. He can't go.
Get back to the mound and he goes back.
Louder, let's hear it.
Hey, don't throw the second, baby. Let's just get the back here.
Wait, can he?
Okay.
So, and where we are, we're in a circle.
The whole, the middle's bigger.
You never do that?
We'll go back in first. No second base on the walk. We just talked about it earlier. It's okay. The pitcher already had the ball. It was a walk. Yeah, the pitcher had the ball. The catcher let it go.
First team to go, please.
So now they're saying that because the catcher let go of the ball.
It's okay, eat it, hold it. Good job.
Somebody, Bobby, right back to the catcher.
Yeah. So like if Waylon were to throw it to Liam Walters and then
What if
that's
Liam runs? What if Waylon runs?
then that starts to play.
Just like that. That's it.
I feel like that's the interpretation.
Yeah.
Like, what if they come does that like,
We didn't talk about it. But that's a good point.
a little closer, there you go.
Gotta get off that base.
Good job, Lorenzo. Oh, take your.
Victor, I want you backing up that throw. The shortstop will cover that. We're not worried about that.
Manuel.
Go, Lorenzo.
Can't go. It has to be a play.
Come on, Manuel, come on!
Okay. Bring it in. That's more than 5.
All right, Mo, you got this, bud. Got it.
Hey, now you know where to strike it. Set it though.
So for a second, for a split second, it was there.
Thanks, bud. Hustle down.
Good job. Time. Time.
Gabriel, listo. Lencho, listo.
Yeah, we don't want to walk right through her. We're not here to. Yeah, close it out. Yeah.
Right.
Go, Logan.
Hey, in secondary, if something like that happens again, I want you here.
Good job, Bub.
Go green, huh?
Ball in the right.
He has his back foot on the white line.
There you go. Good eye.
Logan, it's there. Green light. I want you to swing it. All right? Don't walk.
Sorry.
Get to the batter's box.
Hey, now you got to protect it. All right? Anything close, you have to. Look down, bro.
Move.
One more.
Back three.
Hold the tag. Hold the tag.
Make him throw it.
Respira. Vamos, Gabriel. Queremos más
Go, go. Good, good.
Good job, Bilal. Go, Lorenzo.
Block it, catcher.
Let's go. You're only gonna cheat. Okay, right there. You only cheat when there's a man on first.
That's money
Never
right
had
there.
a change.
Well, you went to the bathroom, so.
There you go. Go, run, run, run.
Good job. It's all right. It's all right.
Eat it.
Good job, Waylon. Way to hustle, dude. Nice.
Victor, way to back that up. I like that. Let's go. Come back. We're not doing that. About that. He can't steal, he can't lead off. Or he can steal, but he can't lead off.
on, Ed. It's you.
Not eat it, eat it, eat it. Let him go.
Walking back. Hey, guys, you don't have to look at me for where to go. Just go to home.
2 and 2. Back it up. Aiming at his helmet, okay? Aiming at the catcher's helmet.
Contact. Good eye, good eye.
Get up, Victor.
I want to make a hit.
There we go.
Take your base.
Let's go, Bowen. Yes, nice, Bowen.
Got this, Luis. This is some contact.
Hey, now no throw. Going. Really, you better pick up the tempo back there, buddy. Gotta hustle. Right?
Hey, Luis, get a little closer. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, get rid of that helmet, okay?
Got this.
Ball hits your bat, okay?
Back it up, Victor. Right, the ball in there.
Don't worry. Next pitch. Okay?
Next pitch. Come on, guys. Now that's what we do. Come on, you can do it, son.
You gotta start stepping back. There you go. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward. A little bit more. More. Luis, more.
Right.
Keep going like this.
Good job, Bowen.
2. Stop moving out of the box. Okay? Stay in the box.
Go, Bowen.
Wow. Don't put the bat down, okay? Keep the bat up.
Put up that bad.
You okay?
I'm sorry, Bowen.
Come on, you guys.
Take your base! Hit by pitch! Gio! Take your base! He got hit by the pitch.
That's 5. That's 5.
Five?
Yep, that's 5.
Alright, bring it in.
Yes. Good eye, bud. The ball's afraid of you, Victor.
No.
There you go. Okay, time him up. Watch the pitcher.
Nice. See that? Afraid of you. Ball 2.
Hey,
Me lo tomo
green
tantito,
light,
que me caliente la web.
green light, anytime close swing.
Bien, da pedo.
Good eye, bud.
Manuel, toma el tiempo.
Victor, anything close swing. 3-0. Come on, hits.
Ya saca tu café. Sacarlo. Ya. Más pega.
Good job, Wayden.
Stay on top of the lane. Good job, let's go.
¿Fue que le dio?
Vamos, Manuel. Push.
Nice.
Hustle up.
Take your base.
Hustle up.
There you go, Victor. Good job.
Good job, Victor. Let's go, Wade up.
Oh, good job, catcher.
Good job, Victor.
Contact with your.
Way to move back there, catch.
Go.
When you're ready, bud.
Last 30, open in.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Right. Go.
Down.
Hold the top.
Anchorman, bud. Let's
Fine,
go.
bud.
Rush it, baby.
Ooh.
Three.
Safe, be safe.
Swing it hard.
Drive.
Don't back away from it, kiddo. That was good. 2-2, kid.
Home.
Yes, Victor! Yes!
There we go, bud. Nice hustle, man. Okay, we're not watching it go past us.
Next time on the back straight.
Okay, gotta get in the dugout, bud. We gotta move. We got it. If it's close, we gotta swing, guys. Can't just keep letting that ball go past us.
Good night, Johnny.
There you go. Good eye, Johnny.
Good, Johnny.
Johnny, I know you can hit the ball.
Johnny, you got this. Yes, Johnny. Nice contact. go, Johnny.
There we go.
You guys be ready out there.
You gotta get Johnny.
Back to the ball, Junior. Just like that. There we go.
Seven.
Manuel, the ball wet? Good.
Good eye, Johnny.
Good eye, bud.
Hey, get a dry ball, please.
Clean and dry.
Everybody needs to be in the dugout. What are you guys doing?
If you're not up next, you're in the dugout, guys. What's happening?
The only person who should be standing right here is Ryder.
Johnny, check. Let him get closer.
One more, Emmanuel.
Let's go, Johnny. Nice. Good eye. Take your base, bud.
Good eye.
Stay.
Good eye, babe.
Here, get closer. Swing it, man. You can make this big.
Good eye, Liam. Leo, Liam, you got this.
Remember, lots of stuff ahead. Get ready to throw the two.
Hold it, hold it.
It's all right. It's all right. Ball four. It's ball four. I think. Nope. Yeah.
Plays at 3.
Bye.
Now you know where it's at, bud.
Hey, Gio. Back up the throat.
They called last inning.
Swing it, Rod.
Now you know where it's at.
Good eye, Ryder.
Johnny, ready, Cobras? That was right up there.
Let's go, Bowie.
Not bad, bud. No worries. All right, Bone, you got this, bud. Big hit here.
John.
Way to be patient there, John.
John, have to step forward. There you go. Right there.
Let's go, John.
Yeah.
Good eye, John.
Towards home plate.
You got this, bud. I know you can hit it. Come on, I know you can hit.
John. 3-1, John. 3-1. You got this.
Got it, John.
It's gotta be
Stay in there, bud.
Leo, you ready?
Take your base. Take your base.
Go, Yana.